and happy Monday. So me and Trey is just eating some breakfast. And we got a new schedule since Trey is no longer going to camp. Trey, you gonna say hi?
Hi.
What you got for breakfast?
Sausage and
Hash browns.
hash browns.
Yeah, Teddy Bug is on the couch asleep, so we're gonna finish our breakfast and have a little bit of devotional. And we will see y'all in a bit. So we're just waiting for Trey to take a big 4-year-old Spider-Man bite of his breakfast so we can go outside. There we go. That's a big bite. We're outside going for our walk. Trey is riding. Mr. Teddy is not a fan of the sun in his eyes. So we're gonna be out here for about 20 minutes. We're gonna be walking for 20 minutes, and then Trey has requested bubbles. So we'll do bubbles for the last 10 minutes. What letter did we learn about? What letter is that?
A.
Good. A is for
Apple.
apple. Very good.
Apple.
M. Okay. Can you use your finger and trace the M?
Okay.
Just got back home for our outing of the day or the morning. Mr. Teddy is not. Ow! Trey, please be careful with that, especially with baby brother. Okay, 1 second. He's got my hair. Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. So we are up a little bit later than usual. It is now 9:07. I slept in. Teddy slept in. Daddy had to go to work, and Trey actually woke us up this morning. So if we wake up after Trey, that means we slept in. So we just finished feeding Teddy. I'm actually pumping right now, and then Trey had some sausage and French toast for breakfast this morning. Very simple breakfast because a lot was going on this morning. Teddy was screaming because he was hungry. So on today's agenda, we are just going to probably stay down here for probably about 10 o'clock, and then we'll go up. Trey, no sir, get down. Then we'll go upstairs, get dressed. Trey wants to go to the library to get some new books.
Mama, I want the hamburger shark.
Yeah, he loves those shark books. So we'll go grab some new books. Be careful, Trey. Teddy's trying to sleep. And then we'll just see what the day takes us. I don't know if this is going to be a morning in our life or just to spend a day with me, but either one, I'm just glad you're here. So I got my coffee, but when I tell you, I jumped on the bandwagon of this Chobani creamer. Fire. So this flavor is the cinnamon coffee cake. Our OG creamer was this one, Natural's Bliss, but I ain't so much new creamers came out. I'm like, this is kind of old. My husband, I want my regular creamer. The regular creamer, I want that one. Just feeding mamas. I'm gonna put y'all on to these. I get these from Walmart because it has electrolytes. But if you don't want the extra sugar, which I don't think it has that much sugar in it. 16 grams. No added sugar, 16 grams sugar. Okay. But these I get from Walmart and they taste delicious. It is cranberry pineapple. This helps your milk supply just stay flowing. So yeah, if you need a good drink for breast milk, try it out. I hope you can't hear my pumps like. Actually, let me show y'all my finds for the week. I've been so excited to share. We went to Target and I got, they had these coffee mugs. I'm using one today. They had them on clearance for $3. And I like small coffee mugs, like compared, this is like a regular size one. I like mine pretty small because I don't drink a lot of coffee. I just like something to keep me warm in the morning. So I'm not really a huge coffee drinker, but I do like some nice little warm beverage in the morning. And these, I think these are the 16 ounce. I'm gonna go back and try to find the 14 ounce, but I have 4 of these, which I was so surprised by. I went to Walmart last night just on a whim, just to go and see what they got. And I was looking for some more dining plates because we have a lot of plastic ones. Again, I just wanted to get rid of those and like use the good stuff, like the good fine china. And so I was like, you know, I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna insert a picture of the ones I was looking for because I already have some of those. But I was like, man, I just don't want to spend that much on plates. So I went to the clearance aisle on the clearance aisle in Walmart, and I found these little salad plates, which are so cute. They're like my hand size. They were $2 on clearance, so I got 4 of these. And then they also had like the actual large plates, the dinner plates, for $2 as well. It's like a size comparison. They also had the dinner plates for $2. They had a 1 coffee mug, and again, like, I like the little coffee mugs. They only had 1 of these, so I was like, you know what, I'll take it. And then the lady before me, before I even got down the aisle, she got all the bowls, so I was like, heifer. She got all the bowls. And what I'm so excited about is these. So they also had the serving plates on clearance for $4. So they only had 3 of them, and I got all 3 of them. We have, let's see, almost 3 ounces. Here we got about 4.5 ounces. So about 7 ounces, yay. But Teddy already ate, so he's good. I'm just gonna put this in the fridge. Put it in this pitcher. But I originally bought this pitcher in the beginning because as you know, like in the beginning of when your milk comes in, you make so much milk because basically your body doesn't know how much you need, so it kind of overproduces. So I was making like 12 to 13 ounces in the beginning, and I needed somewhere to put it, so I got a pitcher. I have a little stash. It's honestly getting smaller, but I have a stash of milk. I was just looking at my YouTube analytics, and we are almost at 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. 98. This is so I just can't believe I just hit 99 as I was recording. is the next day. Yesterday I forgot to finish recording, and we went to my mom. We went to the grocery store, got groceries, because I just didn't do the grocery pickup. We just went in and got groceries so I can make some content. And then we went to my mom's house and we hung out with her for a little bit and helped her fix her washing machine. So that's all we did yesterday. Now it's Saturday and we are watching some racing on YouTube. Daddy is not feeling good, so he is napping, and then Teddy is napping. And me and Trey are having some breakfast. But yeah, so I just wanted to hop on and end the vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it through the whole video, leave me a comment so I know who's here. I'm just not talking to myself. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye. See you next week.